Neil, I am bored in lockdown in Victoria. Show me something cool I didn't know I could do on Amazon. I think that's brilliant. So I had to think about that actually, because I show most of the things that I do that are kind of cool. I've kind of either showed them already, or I'm in the middle of showing them in my inner circle, things like that. So I thought, what's something really, really cool and fun that most people don't realize you can do on Amazon, that actually, when you do it, you can get a cool little advantage in as much as your product will stand out more and you can make your things stand out more on Amazon. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. So I don't think, to the best of my knowledge, I've showed it you before. So here we are. Anyway, so here's a product and we're on the product description. And you can see all this stuff here. You can change all this stuff, all right? So what you may not realize, let me give you this. So if you go to, I'll have to give you the link. So if you're watching this and you're like, shit, how the hell do we get that link? Send to all. It's at qaz.wtf/u/convert.cgi. There you go. Play that back. You'll get there. All right. So what this does is it actually converts text into various different kinds of Unicode. Most people don't realize that you can use Unicode in lots and lots and lots of different places on your Amazon listing. You can also, by the way, use it lots of different places on Google as well. I won't say too much more about that, but when you see what I'm going to show you, hopefully you'll get some ideas. So I've just put in the first thing there, look, brightens skin brightening things, by the way. I'm going to talk about Amazon Japan in just a little wee while for you. Skin brightening creams are massively popular in Japan. There's another little hint for a product for you. Anyway, so, and here's all the different ways that you can use Unicode characters to make your words brightens skin look different. So I could, for instance, if I wanted to have that little thing there, brightens skin, I could just swap that out. Doink. So it was like that, brightens skin. I'll give you the post for that. Send to all. So you could have that one. Or if I wanted to make it look just kind of nice, I could have it like that, for instance, in maths sans bold. Let's just go highlight all that. So I could have it like that. And again, that just stands out just a teeny tiny bit, all right, just like that. But clearly there's some other cool shit you can do, like that, for instance, which looks crazy. But it makes your listing just stand out a little bit, makes it a little bit different from the norm. And it's a next evolution, of course, from doing things like putting emojis into your bullet points and things like that. You can put that particular thing, so Unicode characters, anywhere at all in your listing. But you should definitely be very, very, very careful, not because you're getting trouble, because you won't. It's completely within Amazon's terms of service, but you don't want to overdo it, all right? You do not want to overdo it at all, all right? So just do it a tiny bit, little bit, just to make some things kind of stand out. Like if you're just going to use it there, for instance, that'd be kind of cool. And I could have that, for instance. That's kind of nice little font. There's a different way like that, for instance, although that's not very easy to read. Anyway, you get the idea though. That's something cool. What you may not be aware that you can do, you can use it in your description, you can use it in your title, you can use it in your bullet points. So that's kind of cool. But what you may also not be aware of, so that's on your product details page. So you can also though, so here's some examples that I found for you. There's t-shirt been written in the Unicode characters from here. That's a Unicode circled. So that's kind of cool. You may not know you can do that. Here's it being used in a review. Ding, 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 ding. So there's one it being used in a review. I'll give you the links for these as well, so you can just have a bit of a look-see. Send to all. I don't know if I like that particularly. If they would have just had that T and then shirt, maybe that would have been better. But you've got to admit, it really, really stands out. And that's what you're trying to do on Amazon. You're trying to stand out. So you can also use it on your reviews as well. And then I happen to know that these people here, Prime Paramount, use it in the back of Seller Central for their selling name. So that's kind of cool too, because it really makes you stand out a lot when you're trying to win the buy box. One of the things that what will happen is people will go and check out the other sellers of a product. And as a result of that, that's a very, very easy way to stand out when you're being compared against other people all competing for the same buy box. So that's kind of cool too. So there you go.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.